Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you basically a CSV file editor that I managed to develop inside pure JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So basically this is the editor that you're seeing right here, guys. So we have an option. Basically we can write something here, a valid CSV. We can write here name, comma separated value. So if I basically write like this, you can also manually write like this. So this is valid CSV. And if I want to export it after writing this, let's suppose we have now 3 columns, 2 rows of data. So we have a download button out there. So if I click the download button, you will see that it will download as a CSV file here. And if I open this CSV file, you will see basically this is now a CSV file and it contains 3 columns, comma separated value. And this is the first row of data. This is the second row of data. So we also have this option, guys, markdown. You will see inside markdown it will look something like this. You can simply copy this and paste it inside here. This is SQL here. So basically it is generating the live preview, guys. Inside you will see this is HTML code out there. So if you need the HTML, it will look something like this. And also, guys, we also have a form. So we have a ready-made form editor, guys, which allows you to basically build out your CSV files here. So now if I want to enable deletion, we can delete any individual column right here. Let's suppose we don't need the country column, we can simply delete it. And if we don't need this row of data, I can simply delete this. And now to basically add a new row, we can add a new row like this simply. We can add a new row very simply. You can see that another row like this. So this is basically the editor, guys, by which you can easily create CSV files right here. You can see that. And I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of the video. You can purchase the full source code. I have written my full with my full dedication and hard work. I have developed this full CSV editor with forms like this. So you can just purchase it and you can deploy this application in the browser and earn a lot of money using AdSense and Zoic with your own domain name. So you can see that if I go to this tab here, automatically all the data will be pre-written for you. So inside the form, whenever you make any sort of changes, it is reflected back inside this. You will see that inside this. Now we can simply download this CSV file right here. So our data is successfully exported to a CSV file right here. And the nice thing is that, guys, if I want to disable or enable, you can see that you can toggle this. And the live preview is also shown to you. You can see that name, age. So this is basically the live preview of the CSV file, how it will look like this, something like this. And inside this, if I want to basically delete like this, so you can see that you can now use the tools. So now we can create a table, guys. So let's suppose I need to create a brand new table. So here you can select the grid structure of the table here, how you need to construct it, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, any sort of table. You can hold the mouse and then select it. So I need this type of table. So you can see that automatically we have, I think we have 7 columns and 5 rows of data. So now you can see that automatically you can write some basic data here, right here. You can individually delete columns right here. It will highlighter is also there. You will see that it makes it very much easy, guys, how to basically develop CSV files here. So you no longer have to manually type right like this. So automatically it will do for you. So it looks pretty awesome. You can see that. So you can see that if you see, we have automatically, you can simply click downloads. And after you purchase the source code, guys, at a very reasonable price, you will get this directory structure, guys. You will see that now it will have this index.html. This basically contains this source code. And we have this magic.js file. So it contains the JavaScript code. We also have the CSS code as well. So this is basically the code right here. So you can basically go to the description and purchase the full source code, guys. This is a very awesome little CSV editor. We are using file saver library, guys, to basically download the CSV file. File saver library allows you to download any sort of file from the browser as an attachment. So it makes it very much easy, guys. It shows you the live preview of the CSV file that you are generating. It also makes use of forms as well. So it has a really nice interface. You can add a column. You can see we can add a column as well. We can add a row as well and simply plug the data. And after that, we can simply download that clicking the download button like this. So it makes it very much easy. It basically generates the live preview inside the SQL markdown as well. So it also generates the HTML code as well automatically for you. So this is basically the editor, guys. If you want it, you can purchase it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video.